Good morning, students.
Happy morning, sir.
Yesterday we were discussing regarding the derivatives and we have done problems based on that. And I gave you one problem yesterday, homework. Anyone got the answer for that?
Sir, 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Huh? Let us see. Who said 10 seconds?
Devi Rishi.
Rishivasi. Okay, let us see. All should be present. Anyone wants to just have some permission, you have to ask me. I will surely give you, and again you have to rejoin. I am very happy that all my students are very attentive. How much you learn, that is immaterial. How much is going into your brains, that is immaterial. But you have to concentrate and write every exam properly. Suppose in the exam you could know only 5 questions, do it, but should not be unattempted. Very important. Every class you have to listen, every exam you have to write. You should not worry about your marks. Even if you get less marks, we will see how you have to improve. Now come back to the problem. I said that a car travels with from rest with uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Actually, if I take VT graph, the car has gone with uniform acceleration. Whenever I say uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square, A equal to 2, that means it is a straight line. VT graph should be a straight line, no doubt, inclined to time axis, not parallel to time axis. A is 2, dV by dt is the slope, dV by dt is the slope, slope is constant, acceleration is 2, that means velocity is increasing gradually. Afterwards it went with uniform velocity for some time, then retarded. Look at the graph here. From O, A, B, C. From O to A, the graph indicates that car accelerated, uniform acceleration because it's straight line. In VT graph, if you see a straight line inclined to time axis, it's uniform acceleration. Here if you see at any point velocity is constant, check here, here velocity is V, here velocity is V, here velocity is V, parallel line parallel to time axis. A straight line parallel to time axis in VT graph shows that velocity is constant. A parallel line or a straight line parallel to time axis shows that velocity is constant. Then the velocity is decreasing, retardation. The rate of acceleration and rate of retardation are same. So rate of retardation is also 2. So now if you check carefully, always remember one important point, all should listen carefully. In VT graph, area under the VT graph gives you the displacement. Area of this figure, trapezium, area of this trapezium gives you the displacement of the car. You may ask me, sir, why? Velocity into time, velocity is meter per second into time second, second get cancelled, you will get meters. So area in VT graph gives you displacement. Always areas need not give a physical quantity, but only in VT graph area gives you displacement. Only in VT graph area gives displacement. Now come back here. For some time t, it accelerated. For some more time it uniform velocity is going with uniform velocity, and then it retarded. Remember, rate of acceleration and rate of retardation are same. So the time for which it accelerated and time for which it retarded are same because rates are same. the total time is 20, this coordinate is 20. This will be 20 minus 2t. Total is 20 minus 2t. You agree for this? This 20 minus 2t. Area of the trapezium, yeah. Yeah, tell me. Sivaram Krishna. Okay, right. Area of the trapezium of h into a plus b. That is of h is height of the height between the parallels. How much is this? V equal to u plus at. A is 2t. A is 2. V equal to u plus at. So, what is the velocity attained at the end of t seconds? 2t. So, height is, this is 2t. Height is 2t into a plus b, length of the parallel lines, 20 plus 20 minus 2t. 20 plus 20 minus 2t. 40 minus 2t. That is the area. Once again I am repeating, area of this trapezium is of h into a plus b. H is the height between the parallels, height is 2t, v equal to 2t. A plus b is length of the parallel lines, 20 plus 20 minus 2t, 40 minus 2t. Now, average velocity is total displacement. This is the area formula. I said that area gives you displacement. So, total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time. Total displacement is 2 will get cancelled there, t into 40 minus 2t by total time is 20, equal to average velocity is 7.5 given in the question. Average velocity is given in the question. So, t into 40 minus 2t by total time, total displacement by total time is average velocity. Write down till here. Below that write note, area under VT graph gives displacement. Area under VT graph V dash t. VT means V dash t. Area under VT graph gives displacement. Area under VT graph gives displacement. Now, let me complete this. So, t into 40 minus 2t, cross multiply here 75 into 2 there 150. I cross multiplied here, okay, 75 into 20 into 7.5, 150 there. 40t minus 2t square equal to 150, or 2t square minus 40t
minus 1
plus 150 equal to 0. Now, t equal to minus b plus or minus b square 1600 minus 4ac
8 into 150,
300 into 4 1200 4ac by 2a, a is 4. So, 40 plus or minus,
It is 20, sir.
how much is that? 20
sir.
by 4. So, plus 20, 15 is
60 by 4, sir.
minus 20, 20 by 4, 5 is another answer. Now, listen carefully, all of you listen carefully. I can cancel this with 2 or directly you can simplify, no problem. So, you have 60 by 4, 15, 20 by 4, 5. Which one to choose now? Which is correct?
Both are correct, sir.
Why both? 5 only is correct, both are not correct. Both are positive, both are possible, but what is the total time of the journey?
20 seconds.
20. For how much time it went with uniform velocity? 20 minus 2t. In the place of t, if I put 15, 20 minus 30, negative answer.
Five,
Not
sir.
possible.
Five,
That is why we are not taking 15, because you are getting negative time. Now if I put 5 there, 5 into 2, 10, 20 minus 10. So for how much time it went with uniform velocity? 10 seconds. So car travelled with uniform velocity for I will write the complete thing here, with uniform velocity for 20 minus 2t, that is 20 minus 10, that is 10 seconds. So car travelled with uniform velocity for 10 seconds. Write down. Put 5 star there, very important problem. 5 star, very important. How many got? Can tell me their names? You can tell me their names. Answer is 10. Anyone
Sir,
got?
Sir, I.
Oh, Rishi, you got. Very good. When did you join, ma, Rishi? From the beginning you were there?
Yes, sir. 2 weeks of
Fr- 2 weeks, huh?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. You have done on your own or
Yes,
took help
sir.
of someone?
Oh, by own, sir.
Very good. Did you do in this way or some
Yes,
other
sir.
way?
I taken 3 formulas, sir. S equals to ut plus half weight is, sir. The 3 formulas and the, sir.
And added all,
Yes, sir.
then divided by
150. But
total displacement you will get.
total
total
displacement 6.5 into 20, 150 is, sir. Made.
Equal to 7.5, no?
7.5 into 20, 150, sir.
Very good, very good. You are right. I can understand that you have done on your own because you are able to explain what you have done. Very good. The importance of this problem is, in VT graph, area under the graph gives you displacement. Total displacement by total time gives you the average velocity. How do you know the car has retarded for the same time? Because the rate of acceleration and rate of retardation are same. When the rate of acceleration and rate of retardation are same, the time taken for accelerating and the time taken to retard also will be same. So I have taken here t, this region will be 20 minus 2t. Did all of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I am going to a new page. Now listen, separately you can draw. Write a note in VT graph. If you get a line like this, this is uniform acceleration, because velocity is increasing and it is a straight line. It is of the form y equal to mx, so it is a straight line, uniform acceleration. Velocity is increasing, slope will be constant. Check here, this is theta, corresponding angles, this is dv, this is dt. So tan theta will be dv by dt, that is acceleration, that is a constant. Draw the diagram. In VT graph, if you see a straight line, you need not by heart, from the equation you will know it is a constant acceleration, that is case 1. Look at this case 2. In VT graph, if you see a straight line parallel to time axis, uniform velocity. How do you know it's uniform velocity? Here velocity is v1, here velocity is v1, here velocity is v1. Time is increasing, but velocity is not changing. Time is increasing, velocity is not changing. Therefore, it's mute. Someone has Dilip, mute. So, time is increasing, velocity has not changed. So, uniform velocity. Next one is VT graph. If you see like this, retardation. Uniform retardation. How do you know uniform? Straight line. So, uniform retardation. In the previous problem, we got all the three parts. We got uniform acceleration, we had uniform velocity, we had uniform retardation. That is the beauty of the previous problem. The car first accelerated, then went with uniform velocity, then finally retarded and came to rest. Now listen. So, you know that, for example, V equal to U plus AT, or I will take an example, V equal to 2 plus 4t. Suppose an equation for a particle moving along a straight line is given by that equation. An equation is given. Now, this is of the form V equal to U plus AT. Can anyone tell me initial velocity?
Sir, 2, sir.
2. Can anyone tell me acceleration?
4.
4, sir. 4 meter per second.
That's all. So, some of the equations just by looking you can tell. If I give S equal to 2 plus 4t cube or t square, then you have to go. Even if you differentiate, you will get the same answer. Of course, in SI unit I am taking example. Now, if I differentiate this dV by dt, to draw VT graph, you have to get the original equation. This is the original equation I have given. Example I am taking. Original equation. dV by dt, constant derivative 0. Answer is 4, no? T derivative is 1. Derivative of t is 1. Derivative of 2, 0. Constant derivative 0, 4t means 4. What is dV by dt? Slope. But what is the slope? Acceleration. dV means change in velocity, dt means a small interval of time. Change in velocity by a small interval of time gives you the instantaneous acceleration. But in this case, the instantaneous acceleration is a constant. That means I need not use the word instantaneous acceleration. Anywhere the acceleration is constant. I am not saying velocity is constant, velocity is gradually increasing. If the acceleration is constant, it means your 10th standard or 9th standard formula, equal increment of velocity in equal intervals of time. Equal increment of velocity in equal intervals of time. Now I will draw the graph. I have both, no? Original equation. This is V t. At t equal to 0, what is V?
2.
Yeah. At t equal to 0, V equal to 2. What are the coordinates?
0, 2.
0, 2. Now, slope is constant. Constant but not 0. Mute yourself, Prakash. Slope is constant. That means it's a straight line. It's a straight line but not parallel to time axis. If slope is 0, it will be parallel to time axis. So, can I draw like this? Straight line? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Straight line. That is how you have to draw the graph, straight line. Now, if I take a dotted line here, can anyone tell me tan theta there? Tan theta is slope. Can anyone tell me tan theta?
4.
4, sir.
4. Very good. Tan theta is 4. From
Bye,
that
sir.
the fellow may ask theta, tan inverse 4. From the Clark's table you can find out the angle also. Draw the graph.
Complete, sir.
Can't
Yeah.
understand derivative, sir.
Yeah. Come on, ma, speak. Who is that? Speak up, ma, no problem.
Bhumaitri, sir.
Bhumaitri, you were there from beginning, no? Okay, I will give you 1 point, then you will understand. Okay, I will stop here and give you that derivative point. That's very easy. Where you didn't understand, ma, derivative? Tell me.
If you tell
Only exponent. Exponent. On that day, were you present when I explained dy by dx?
No, sir. Absent.
That is why. That is why. Otherwise, Bhumaitri will not have that doubt. That day you were absent.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will tell you. How derivative of a constant is 0? That means you are differentiating one quantity with respect to other. Differentiating means what is dv by dv means small change in velocity, dt is small change in time, interval of time I mean. Students who were absent on the day when I started derivative, today everything will be Greek and Latin. We are starting the schedule from 30th, no? I am going to repeat all this, 80% or 70% will be repeated again. So, you need not worry. In the schedule, these chapters are again there. Whatever there in the bridge course, those points were there. So, new students will be joining again. So, for them I have to explain again. So, Bhumaitri and others, those who have missed, they can hear it again.
Okay, sir.
Listen again. Then that, no problem. Yeah.
The videos are uploaded in YouTube now, sir. They can see directly YouTube now, sir.
Yeah, very good point. I forgot, see. Good boy. Bhumaitri, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Date 23.
Check in the YouTube. In the YouTube it is uploaded. Bhumaitri, is it clear? Then you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, don't worry. Anyway, regarding friction, that is complicated. That I will explain again. Once I explained regarding walking of a man, that is not fully complete. I will explain in detail, then you can follow those procedure. That's work done and all that. Because when I start that chapter, you can understand it very clearly. But in this session, in this bridge course, what all we have done is, what you have learnt in your 10th standard only I explain. V equal to u plus at, S equal to ut plus half at square, these formula only. With those formula we have done variety of problems. And the new concept what you learnt is work energy theorem. That is the new concept you learnt, work energy theorem. Work done formula, Fs cos theta, not Fs. Work energy theorem, work done formula. What is calculus? How calculus is used in physics? That is the most important part what you have learnt. Okay. Today I will stop up to here because master also is waiting. Today because of meeting, schedule was slightly disturbed, but from tomorrow as usual, of course tomorrow is Sunday, from Monday as usual you have the classes. Don't worry. Bye ma, today I am concluding.
Hi, sir.
Bye ma, bye.